Well, I haven't recorded much this week, but I've been busy. I do have an engine in the C10. And she's up on the lift. Been doing some odds and ends, trying to get her ready to fire up. Got headers on it. Those are the Speed Engineering long tubes for this year, 86. They cover a few years. Not real pleased with them. The driver's side was not too bad to put in. I had to put a ding in underneath the motor mount and one up there to clear the frame to get a little extra clearance. Passenger side, different story. Beat the shit out of it here, up in here on two tubes here, one tube up there, somewhere else up on the frame rail, topside frame rail. But I also got the die grinder out and hit a little bit here for some extra clearance, and that made a mess. But I don't like this pipe. Let's see if I can show you both of them. Look how that dives down a few degrees. The other one goes pretty much straight. So it looks like I'm gonna have to have some piece made to come out and go up and then go across so I can tuck it up in there pretty decent. But we'll get to that. I think tonight we're going to replace the pinion seal in this. I'm gonna jack the front of the truck up so I hopefully don't leak that much. Last night, let's see, I replaced the seals on the bullet and the speedo gear. That seems much tighter, although the seal that came with the kit I bought the end seal did not fit in the stock bullet. So I put the old back in, but it was much tighter. I also last night put a new transmission pan gasket on, even though that one was new. I must have forgotten to torque it down or something, it leaked. So I just went ahead and replaced it. I lost a lot of fluid anyway, tilting the motor. Transmission is in. I'm not sure what these are. I think these are for kick downs or something. If it had a 400R in it, or a 700R or a 400 TH, I don't know. It's a 350 in this one. Got one of my trans lines hooked up. I need to fish the other one through. I also put some new shorty spark plugs in there, some header plugs. Starter went in okay, and we got to button up the rest of it, but she's getting there. Fuel pump's hooked up, still feeding power places. I got to find all that, plus all the accessory brackets. I'll putz around with this stuff a little bit tonight. Again, I'm going to just do this pinion seal for now, and then I'll bring her down and start working back on the top side. So here I am working on this pinion seal, get it loose, get it out, let it drain. It took forever for it to drain. I jacked the front of the truck up all the way that my bridge jack would take it, and that thing still leaked out a bunch. It probably dripped brand new fluid, unfortunately, for, 25 minutes. I got the seal replaced in it, and I forgot to turn the camera on for that, so that's not here. But then I went around to fill it up and stripped out the damn filler cap. So check out the shorts for that. Otherwise, that's it. Short week this week. Been busy, just didn't record a lot. So have a great weekend, and I will do some more recording this week as I try to get this thing fired up Sunday. Well, that's a wrap on this stage of the build. We're one step closer to getting this thing back on the road, and I'm officially out of zip ties. If you enjoyed the gears and grease today, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button down below to help the garage grow. And if you want to see the rest of the build, click down here for the others. Cheers.